Ever stared at a complex software interface and felt a wave of dread? Like you're about to embark on a journey through a digital labyrinth, armed only with a vague sense of direction and a growing fear of getting lost? Yeah, me too. And if you're here, you've probably had that feeling while glancing at NetSuite. It's a powerhouse, a giant, the ERP system that promises to streamline everything, but is it easy to learn? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Because let's be honest, powerful often translates to complex. We've all been there. We've downloaded that app, signed up for that platform, only to be met with a wall of options, menus, and jargon that makes our heads spin. We want efficiency, we want integration, we want to solve problems, not create new ones. Now, NetSuite, in its essence, is designed to bring order to chaos. It's built to consolidate your financial, operational, and customer data into a single unified platform. Imagine, no more juggling spreadsheets, no more hunting for information across multiple systems. Just one central hub, one source of truth. Sounds amazing, right? But that one central hub is also incredibly comprehensive. It's like a Swiss Army knife of business tools, packed with features for accounting, inventory management, CRM, e-commerce, and so much more. And like any complex tool, there's a learning curve. So let's get down to it. Is NetSuite easy to learn? The short answer? It depends. And I know that's the most frustrating answer you can get. But hear me out. It depends on several factors: your prior experience, your learning style, and most importantly, the resources you have available. Let's break it down. First, your prior experience. If you've worked with other ERP systems before, or even just accounting software, you'll have a head start. You'll understand the fundamental concepts, the flow of data, and the general logic behind these systems. You'll recognize terms like general ledger, purchase order, and customer record. This familiarity will make navigating NetSuite less daunting. However, if you're new to the world of ERP, don't panic. NetSuite is designed to be user-friendly, albeit with a robust feature set. It's not like trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphics. There are logical workflows and intuitive interfaces, but you'll need to invest more time in understanding the basics. Second, your learning style. Are you a hands-on learner? Do you prefer to learn by doing? Or do you prefer structured courses and detailed documentation? NetSuite offers a variety of learning resources to cater to different learning styles. They have a robust online help center, packed with articles, videos, and tutorials. They also offer formal training courses, both online and in person. These courses can be incredibly valuable, especially for those who prefer a structured learning environment. Furthermore, there's a vibrant community of NetSuite users and developers online. You can find forums, blogs, and social media groups where you can ask questions, share tips, and learn from others' experiences. And third, the resources you have available. This is perhaps the most crucial factor. If you're implementing NetSuite for your company, do you have a dedicated implementation team? Do you have access to consultants who can guide you through the process? A good implementation team can make all the difference. They can help you configure the system to meet your specific needs, provide training to your employees, and troubleshoot any issues that arise. If you're learning NetSuite on your own, you'll need to be more proactive in seeking out resources. You'll need to be willing to experiment, to make mistakes, and to learn from them. Now, let's address some common concerns. One of the biggest hurdles people face when learning NetSuite is the sheer volume of features. It can feel overwhelming to try to learn everything at once. The key is to focus on the features that are most relevant to your role and your company's needs. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start with the basics and gradually expand your knowledge as you become more comfortable with the system. Another common concern is the technical jargon. ERP systems are notorious for their acronyms and technical terms. But don't let the jargon intimidate you. Most of the terms are logical and easy to understand once you break them down. And again, remember, the online help center is your friend. It's a goldmine of information, and it can help you decipher even the most obscure terms. Let's talk about the user interface. NetSuite has undergone several updates over the years, and the current interface is relatively clean and intuitive. However, it can still take some time to get used to. The navigation menus can be a bit complex at first, but once you understand the structure, you'll be able to find your way around. One of the best ways to learn NetSuite is to use it. Don't be afraid to experiment, to click on different buttons, and to see what happens. You can't break anything permanently, and you'll learn a lot by doing. Another thing to consider is the customization options. NetSuite is highly customizable, which means you can tailor it to your specific needs. But this also means that there can be a lot of variations in how different companies use the system. If you're working for a company that has heavily customized NetSuite, you may need to spend more time learning the specific configurations that are in place. And let's not forget the continuous updates. NetSuite is a cloud-based system, which means it's constantly being updated with new features and improvements. This can be a good thing, but it also means that you'll need to stay up to date with the latest changes. NetSuite releases 2 major updates per year. These updates can include significant changes to the user interface, new features, and improvements to existing features. To stay up to date, you can subscribe to NetSuite's release notes, attend webinars, and participate in online forums. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.